Hello my friends, in this video I'm going to show you something different. Someone has applied for a job and they sent to him this document. Here we have a specification how to create an employee management application test, and he sent to me this one and asked me if I can create this. Okay, and I said yes. So here we have the specification for creating application, and we have used the Laravel 8 framework. We have MySQL 5 or later, Vue Js and Laravel mix for compiling assets. We have implement Vue Js on employee management only, and CRUD and search features. Okay, so we need to implement Vue Js only on the employee management, and the rest is going to be with Laravel and Blade, and of course with Bootstrap 4. Okay, the user interface should be responsive based on HTML5 and Bootstrap 4. The user interface layout should have sidebar and header. On sidebar we are going to have a dashboard, employee management, system management, and in the system management, so we are going to have a drop down here. We have a country for submenu, state, city, and department. Also we have a user management, and here we have again a drop down. We have user, a submenu, we have role, submenu, and role is optional and permission is optional. So yeah, we are going to see if I can add the role or not, role and permission. On the header interface, display the name of the logged in user as well as the menu for logout. Yeah. After authentication, the user should be redirected to a blank dashboard. Okay. And authentication. User will be able to log in with a email and password. Okay, and 3 failed attempt will lock the user for 5 minutes. Yes, so if the user put 3 times incorrect email or password, the user will be locked for the 5 minutes. Okay, user management, we have create, update, and delete users. Change password, and we have search user by username and email. Okay, and role and permission is optional. So the user table may have a username on it. Employee management. So the employee management we are going to do with Vue Js. Okay, here implement employee management with Vue Js. Okay, so employee management, list of employees with a search and filter by employee name and department. Okay, and we have a create, update, and delete employees. System management, we have country, list of countries with search and create, update, and delete. We have a state, list of state with search and create, update, and delete as well. The same thing for the city, list of cities. with search, create, update, delete, department, list of department with search and create, update and delete. And we have an API, so create an API endpoint for user registration and authentication, and create an API endpoint to list all employees by last name. Okay, now here we have the users, and yes, the user has the username, has the last name, first name, email and password. Employee has the last name, first name, middle name, address. We have department ID, city ID, state ID, country ID, zip code, birth date and date hired. Okay, we have countries with country code and name. And we have a state here. We have a country. So for example, country ID here and name. And we have cities with a state ID and name, and departments with only with the name and timestamps. Okay, so this is the example of the employee management application test. We are going to create in the next video. In this video, I just show you what we are going to build. And if you like, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. All the best. Thank you very much.